I filed a bankruptcy between 5.5, I'd say about 5.5 years ago, and the bankruptcy was completed successfully. However, I lost both parents tragically, and I'm having a really, really hard time. I'm taking care of a disabled brother. However, I would like to file bankruptcy again due to student loans. But there is an issue. I do have to file my taxes. So what should I do in this situation as far as not having the funds to file those taxes or have it amended?
Okay, well, first thing I want to talk to you about is the student loans. There is a program called the Income-Driven Repayment Plan. And what this means is, let's say you have a significant amount of student loans, $50,000 or $60,000, and you can't pay it off. Okay, you could go down, you show them your tax returns and your paycheck stubs, and you can get an income-driven repayment plan. And the monthly payments, if you have a lot of dependents, could be $0 a month, but it counts towards your repayment. For example, if they were going to amortize it over 20 years and you didn't make enough money, you could have payments as low as $0, $10, or $20 a month. You do 12 of those, that's 1 year on that 20-year loan that's paid off, and it may only have cost you $100. And these income-driven repayment plan is something you should look at, especially now, because if you ignore it and then you go to file your tax return and you get a refund, the student loan could take it from you. And I know you don't want that. So let me say this again, it's an income-driven repayment plan, and go to the student loan people and get yourself back on track. And this is a very helpful procedure. Now, in regard to the second question you had, if you had a bankruptcy that was 5.5 years ago, you can't file the Chapter 7 until there has been 8 years between filing. You could, however, file, if your finances are in such a situation, you could file a Chapter 13 right away.
That's good information, Terry, because there are a lot of students out there that are really struggling, especially teachers, people that have a lot of student debt from getting into technical careers, and you're talking about the $30,000 to $40,000, $50,000 range, and their student debt is outrageous. So
well,
this is a great plan.
Well, the thing is, for teachers and for some peace officers, okay, they can, if they are in a Title I school and they've worked for 10 years, okay, they can get that debt forgiven.